thing to have on a hot summer day. We're going to be making an untraditional Bloody Mary. It's a little different, but it's a really refreshing thing to have on a hot summer day. We're going to add our little tomato slices. Add those, take our celery sticks instead of using a popsicle stick because you need a slice of celery in a Bloody Mary. We're going to move on to our cocktail. So I have our tomato juice in our ketchup bottle. It's all about ketchup and tomatoes today. We got our tomato juice. I love spicy things, so I'm going to add a couple dashes more of the Tabasco. And then this sauce that I have a very difficult time pronouncing, a couple dashes of those. Lift that up. Pinch of pepper and smoked paprika. Normally you can make this in a glass, but we're going to do something different and make it into our vodka bottle. So you're going to shake it up. And then we're going to pour it into our popsicle molds. Just be very careful. You can add any other spices you'd like to in this, make it your own. Then I'm going to top it off with an olive. Love green olives. So we're going to put these in the freezer for about 24 hours. So starting off, we're adding 2 of our eggs into our cake. I'm going to take our ketchup, add that in, egg whites, and our dry ingredients, which include baking powder, baking soda, and spices. So then we're going to mix it all together. So now we're going to take our ketchup, bake this cake. So all of our ingredients and our yummy ketchup is all mixed in, and then we're going to add it into our 8-inch cake pan. You can smell the ketchup and the spices. It smells delicious. So do that, and then I've preheated our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we've got 3 beautiful red cake layers, and I've made our homemade cream cheese icing. So the icing is going to go really well with the spices in this. If you've ever had a carrot cake, very similar to that. So we're just going to pipe these around the edges just to give it a little height. And we're going to stack all 3 of our layers. Our middle layer. So we're going to place it carefully on top, leave a little space in between, make it look a little fancy. So don't knock trying this ketchup cake. So just pipe it. So the ketchup makes this cake actually super moist. And our final top layer, which is the most beautiful one, just carefully place it. Then this is something that's going to be really cool. So we're just going to pipe some more cream cheese frosting in there. And I've cut a tomato, and what we're going to do is make a little like chantilly cream, whipped cream kind of thing. So we're going to add some heavy cream into here. And take our little milk frother, gonna froth it up. So a nice presentation, you always place it kind of like at an angle, so it's like leaning back in a beach chair. Those in the center. Then I'm gonna take this star piping tip, and we're just gonna pipe some little stars going around with our icing. The top of our cake is garnished. And I've got our beautiful popsicles. Look how cool this is. It looks like just a little Bloody Mary with a little celery stalk hanging out. So this is a great recipe to have at barbecue, picnic,